One of my favorite things in my composter, my handy dandy kitchen composter, are eggshells. I can't do it. I can't throw eggshells in the garbage because I know how many nutrients that gives to your soil after it's composted down, and it even helps before it's composted down. They're awesome for your soil. But one thing about eggshells that I just want you to remember is, I mean, you can put them whole if you want in your composter, but these whole eggshells take 3 years to break down, approximately. If you crush them, they take 1 year to break down. So it's awesome to use eggshells in your composter. And of course, it's not going to break down in your kitchen composter. You're going to take this compost from your kitchen and you're going to place it in your outside composter, which, you know what? I think every gardener should have a composter because you're just adding beautiful nutrients to the soil. So crush your eggshells. Why? Because this eggshell approximately will take 3 years to break down. If you crush it, it's only a year. So one of my favorite things, eggshells in your composter. If you like this video, please press like. You can comment it if you like, and don't forget to subscribe. You have a great day.